Hello everyone and welcome to Lou's Redos. My name is Lou Giacalone. I have been in the food and beverage industry for over 40 years. I've been in private restaurants from family owned up to hotels where I was the executive chef. I've done private catering. I actually had the honor in 1999 to cater Rosie Perez's wedding. She is one of the nicest people you would ever want to meet. The idea behind the video is a lot of friends call me and say, Lou, what do I do? I have this left over. What do I do with it? How do I do this? What do I do with this? So I decided to do some videos on what to do with your leftovers and how to save money with your food. There's a lot of waste, and we're going to start by something simplistic like garlic. If you have a recipe that calls for 2 cloves of garlic, use 4. If it calls for 1, use 2. Very simple. I'm going to show you how to get a bulb of garlic, how to peel it. There's multiple ways. I'm going to show you some differences. I start with some plastic wrap down first. Put some pressure on the garlic and it'll start to loosen things up for you. Now what I like to do, put it in a jar and do a James Bond martini shaking that start. Put some effort into it and voila. So now what you do is you pick up your cloves, put them back in the jar, oops, we missed one, and repeat. And here you go. Peeled. Ready to be used. If in the event it doesn't fully peel, not to worry. The shaking makes it extremely easy to come right off and peel the rest. So now another method, which I am not a fan of, let's just put this on the side for now. Now the beauty of this is you fold it up and there's no mess. Some people like to soak the garlic. Garlic is sticky, and when you peel, your hands are going to get sticky, so is the knife. Once again, not a fan. There's also a method where you take some, put it in a microwave, 10-15 seconds. It will peel easier, but you're cooking the garlic and it's rubbery. Not a fan of that either. I kind of like the shake idea. Quick and easy. Clean up is a snap. Now, everyone says, I don't need a whole bulb of garlic. I only need a couple of pieces. What do I do with the rest of the bowl? Folks, you know as well as I do, it's going to sit in the refrigerator, it's going to get rotten, it's going to start growing, it's going to do multiple things. Peel the whole clove. Now what you can do with 2 things, which are very simple. Take your trusty food processor. Okay, grab your handy oil bottle. Pour some oil in. This was actually a vodka bottle. The vodka evaporated. I don't know where it went. It just left the empty bottle, so I use it for oil. It's nice. It has a handle and everything. So what you do now, liquefy garlic. Get a handy squirt bottle. As you can see, I already have some. I use it all the time. course, this show doesn't waste anything. Grab your handy spatula. Scrape. Come on, there we go. Pour into your squeeze bottle. Once again, we don't waste anything here, folks. Scrape all around and get everything in there. Nice and simple. You don't waste your garlic. Now, if you want to add a little more oil, add a little more oil. There's no rules here, folks. It's your food. You're going to be eating it. You're going to be cooking with it. Do whatever you want. If you want to add some pepper, add pepper. If you want to season and have basil in with your garlic or parsley, go right ahead. Once again, no rules. You're going to be eating it. So it's whatever you like. There's not going to be anyone standing over your shoulder telling you you can't do that. You can do that. The idea behind what I'm doing is show different ways of doing your leftover food, saving some money, as for example with the garlic, and there's still one more step I'm going to show you. It's not reheating what you made yesterday and serving the same dish. It's creativity. And your creativity is only limited by your imagination. What can I do with this food? Oh, you know what? I'll peel the chicken and I'll saute some asparagus and put it together. That works, folks. You're going to eat it. No rules. If you don't want to use asparagus, use spinach. Whatever it is you have in the refrigerator. Nothing gets thrown out. Utilize your food. Now, if you don't want to buy the whole bulb of garlic, say, oh, I'm going to waste it. It's going to go in the garbage. I'm going to waste my $1.39 a pound garlic. And you don't want to go through the trouble of cleaning it. There's a very simple solution for that. Go to the store and buy it already clean. But you're going to say, but that's going to go to waste too. No, it's not. Here's what you do with that. This is a staple in my household. I'm Italian. There's always garlic in the refrigerator. Put the garlic in a jar. Cover the garlic with oil, and it'll stay for weeks and weeks in your refrigerator. You waste nothing. The one thing that you do have to be careful of, okay, one of the things you need to remember by doing this is when you take out a clove of garlic, it's going to be oiled. Be very careful when you smash it, because if you're on the wrong angle, that piece of garlic is going to take off like a cruise missile. Just boom. Folks, and you're ready. It's easy. It's simplistic. Keep it in your refrigerator. No peeling. No anything. Take out what you need and start cooking. One of the things people don't realize is how healthy garlic is for you. Garlic has a compound called allicin. Garlic is full of magnesium, B6, B1. It has calcium, copper, potassium, phosphates. It'll help cure your cold. It'll help lower your blood pressure. It'll even help you adjust your cholesterol. Now they're saying antioxidants will help with Alzheimer's and dementia. There's a new study out that garlic could also prevent baldness. I'll get back to you on that one in a couple of weeks. But it will regrow hair. That's what they're saying. I'll let you know. I'm going to try it. So, you're not wasting your money, folks. Utilize your garlic, put it in a squirt bottle. I have upcoming episodes where I'm going to be taking this garlic and showing you what to do with what's in your squirt bottle. This is self-explanatory. Use it as you need it. That's the garlic episode, folks. Stay tuned. There's more coming. Please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comments, please. If anyone gets stuck with a recipe, or you have food that you don't know what to do with or how to make it left over, email me, leftoversbylou@gmail.com. I'll try to answer everyone. I'll try to use as many as your request in my videos as I can. Okay? Stay well and happy cooking.